Hi everyone, welcome back to another unboxing with Danny and Jaz.
Hey!
And today we're going to be unboxing some stuff yous have sent to us. I think they call it in the biz the PO box opening or something like that.
In the biz.
In the biz. So it's basically stuff that yous have sent us in. Also, I think we've got a package from a company that's asked us to unbag it and show yous. So we'll unbox stuff and give whoever we need to a shout out, because whoever's sent these in, I'll say now, we really do appreciate you sending anything in, and I do apologise if it's took a while for this video to come out. As you've seen probably by our social media, we are backed up a lot of boxes, got slightly out of hand habit at the moment.
Who do you think that was?
And shocking you. So yeah, I really do apologise. We've been waiting for ages to see it being unboxed, but I'll get there in the end. Anyway, so let's open a few. We'll go for this one first. This one came and which one? All right then. Right, we'll go this one first. This was sent to us. We got an email asking us if we wanted to try their first month of this subscription, and it is a pin subscription. They are called, I think it was Zanini. I probably butchered that. I apologise. Yep, there's my address as well. Take that off there. So yep, Zanini box or something from the US. There we go, Zanini box. Tomorrow.
Took my job.
Sorry. Like I say, they are pins. I think they are like geeky pins, like for instance Hulk and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So like I say, US based. I'll leave all the links in the description for this company in, like, basically in the description, like I just said. I'm gonna repeat myself on it. Anyway, so let's see what it is.
Open the bag. Open the bag. Open the bag. The bag is now open.
It should be. It's black and Anna. Oh, we have. Hang on, I've got a piece of paper here. So this might. So this is ZANINI box, June 2000. Sorry, 2000. How was I reading that there? ZANINI box, June 2019. We want to take a moment to thank you for your subscription to the ZANINI box. We're excited to introduce you to amazing pins and fantastic products. We're passionate about continually raising your experience, blah, blah, blah. For the next month, we're working on 3 plans. 3 pins, $7.99. Second plan, 4 pins, $9.99. And 5 pins, $11.99. Not 100% sure what that'll make into pounds, but sounds alright, that, like. I wonder if that includes delivery. But like I said, I'll link all in the description below anyway. Enjoy your first box.
Bag.
So it says, welcome Danny and Jaz. Our mystery box works in 3 plans, like I just told you. Each plan will differ in each theme. Movies, games, cartoons, TV shows, toys and collection. The collection is included in 3 plans. Plan 1, plan 2. We are happy to send... so give a 10% discount on the first month for your viewers. And just code Danny Jaz. I'll link that in the description also. Oh, it's one of them padded things, isn't it? So yeah, Danny Jaz, if you want to get yourself a subscription, check them out. So we have 3 pins. That's cool.
We've got the first one is, I'll take it out with its bag.
So these will probably be going on Jasmine's pin board or the wife's. She's got like a bag, Comic-Con bag. We've got patches and stuff like that on.
It's got the Call of Duty Black Ops guy. I don't know who this is.
Is that McTavish or whatever he's called?
Doesn't say.
Right, just says Call of Duty.
Here it is.
Ruin. Oh, it's Ruin. R-U-I-N. So that's nice.
It's only a nice background thing, board.
Yeah, so if you didn't want to take them off and put them on a pin thing.
If you didn't have a pin thing.
They feel quite thick as well. They look nice, and I think They're designed by himself as well. Well, it must be, or the copyright, wouldn't it? So.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's nice. That Call of Duty one. Which one's that one?
The Game of Thrones.
It looks like him as well. Oh, it's only Jon Snow. I didn't even plan that.
Jon Snow.
That's brilliant. So we got a Jon Snow pin, which is cool.
And then the last one is.
I love this. I'm going to put that up behind me.
Which one is it? Leonardo. From
Ninja Turtles.
Yeah.
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. I have to come back a little bit, Jaz, to show. There you go. That's nicer.
Yeah.
This one is my favourite of the bag. This one will be going in my Ninja Turtles collection. At the back. Ninja Turtles collection. Anyway, can't talk. So yeah, like I said, that is the ZANINI box. I hope I'm saying that right. Check them out. Links in description.
Use code Danny Jaz.
Yep, use code Danny Jaz for 10% off their subscription. Next one.
This one.
I'm going this one.
It's open.
I can't remember his name. Yeah, hopefully there's no inside. So this was this was sent to us by a viewer wanting to send us a little gift, basically.
Gavin.
Gavin, thank you very much, Gavin.
It says,
Excuse you.
Hi Danny Jaz, love the channel and thought I'd send you a few gifts. Don't know if you have them, but I'm sure you'll find a place. T-shirt was wrong size, hope it fits someone, yourself or someone you know. Hope all's well, Gavin, with his nice drawing.
So there's a t-shirt in there.
Yeah.
Cool. So yep, thank you Gavin for sending these in.
A beautiful drawing.
We'll put that in the folder with all our other notes and stuff.
It is Fluffy from Despicable Me.
You go in your animal collection.
Yeah.
It's so fluffy. Is there a flocked one of these?
I don't think so, to be honest.
I love flock pops. Actually like that. That's quite cool.
Yeah.
Cool.
Should we open these, yeah?
Nah, because we've got quite a few to get through, don't we? Thank you, people.
And we also... I'm going to steal this one.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Has Jess already got that one?
I don't know if she has.
It doesn't really matter, does it? Because you steal it anyway, aren't you?
It is Ginny Weasley
Well,
from
for you,
Harry
so-
Potter.
Yeah, Ginny Weasley. That's brilliant. Like I say, Jasmine, I'm not sure if the oldest daughter has got this, but Jasmine hasn't, which is a bonus. So thank you for sending Jazz that. Ginny. Oh, you're going to make room for 2 more pops on your shelves.
I don't think I'll have room. And then we have the t-shirt, which I see Batman.
Oh. Is that a puff one?
No.
I can't see his eyes.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Oh, hang on a minute. Is that the t-shirt from the box?
Is it?
I don't know.
Oh, yeah, it is. It's a t-shirt from the box.
Oh, cool.
Is it extra large?
Thanks for telling everyone my size.
You're welcome. It is Batman.
Sorry. So yeah, Batman t-shirt. Yes, I love my pop t-shirt. As you can see.
I mean, I could wear it, but it'd like be massive.
Thanks.
No, because I'm lazy.
Stick it in the dryer for you. But I think I'll have that though. Oh wait, you've got 2. You gotta let me have something. Please, Emily.
You have too many t-shirts.
I do have a lot of t-shirts though. But hey. So yeah, Gavin, thank you for sending that in. That's spot on. That's brilliant.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much. I'm gonna run out of room. So next, I don't know what I'm doing. Next box is. I've lost my knife. Next box is. This one was from the Weird Beard. Yep, it's cool. Don't show me Jess.
Oh.
So yeah, this was from the Weird Beard. I am actually going to do a trade with him for this. but I haven't got anything to trade at the moment, but he's just sent them anyway, which is class of him. I'll leave his links and his channel in the description. Check him out. He is awesome. He does unboxes, pops and stuff like that. So, and he's quite funny. We love his dog. So if you are watching, we thank you very much.
Come on.
And we think your dog should get more airtime.
Yes.
So I'll just do it, Jaz, I like it.
It says on the side.
Over the box, but I think this is the box that we sent him.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Remember when we sent him them things?
I mean, you gotta serve the turtles.
Yeah, you got to serve fire them in. So
Why are you doing it so...
I'm trying to not show the thing on them.
See, I'll just go for it.
Just go for it, doesn't matter.
Oh.
Yeah. So open the box, open the box, open the box.
Open the box, open the box, open the box. The box is now not open.
The box might take a while to open. You can tell it's come from another pop collector.
Don't cut it out.
The
The box is now full.
The box is now ripped to bits.
Well.
Yeah. I think he's just packaging. So, ooh. Oh yeah, I remember him now. Like say it's been a while since he sent this. It's just been sat in that corner of our room, all building up a gear.
It's got a mean girl.
Yes. Guess who the mean girls popped for?
You.
Don't judge me.
It's Mrs.
McGonagall
from Harry Potter.
McGonagall from Harry Potter.
Shall we check this one out?
Nah.
Oh.
So yeah, this is for the oldest daughter. She needs this one for her collection. So thanks for sending this. And this one was for me because I'm going to collect the other ones, the other 3 I think. Yeah, 3 it is. Don't judge me. I like the pop. I really think the film's quite not bad. I know I'm losing man points from everybody, but I don't care. I like what you like.
Karen from Mean Girls.
In fact, Jess might want this off me, you know. I'll fight for it.
Can I open this one at least?
Yeah, go on then.
Yeah.
You have to be quick, dogs. Don't worry about people.
So, choose.
I think it's called me. That's cool, that. 2016, pop that. I'm not sure how much these are. But anyway. So yeah, we will be sending him some of our spare pops that we get in the future. So yeah, like I say, go check his channel out and thanks for sending them over. Links for his channel in the description. Next box, and mussels from Brussels. Right. This one was sent by Paul. If you remember on our other video, he was the person that sent the Spider-Man Haraki and the Maleficent Haraki from us before for our collection. There's sweets in there.
Yeah.
Dabs.
No.
What do you mean no? Chezzies. So yeah, it looks. He contacted me and turned around and said he knows that I'm collecting the turtles, Harakis. He knows I was looking for Donatello, and I couldn't find them anywhere, especially in our Forbidden Planet. And he said that there was a Donatello in his Forbidden Planet. So he said he'd pick it up and send us it, which is very nice of him. So I really appreciate that, Paul. And it looks like he's put something else in just to keep it stable.
Oh,
that's
cool. It is.
That's very good, isn't it?
It's like a wanted poster for Harry Potter.
Yeah, but it's like being in a fire.
Yeah, and burned. Can you hold it at the bottom?
Yep. So yeah, another poster / printing. But this is brilliant. This one. But we haven't got this either. I think you've got it in a little frame, haven't you?
Yeah,
Is it that
but
one?
it's not as like.
It's not as good as that.
No, this one's big and it's like got the like same colour. The other one is like white.
Oh right, yeah. Wrecked the place, Jazz.
Sorry.
It's good. It was my knife. Good job on not opening anymore. Anyway, so and like I said, this is the Haraki he has sent.
I got this.
I've got another knife, you know. Come on, guys.
Don't need
No.
it.
Oh, look at that.
Here it is.
So I have the Donatello Haraki, Hikari, whatever. And that does finish my Hikari set at the back, as you can see. So that will be coming out the box, believe it or not. I actually like them out the box, that's why I took them out. But it will be coming out the box and going on that shelf. So watching our future videos and you'll see them up there with everyone else. What's the matter?
I'm just admiring the shelf.
It's cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
What does everyone think about the Pops being out of box as well? I know, I'm still not 100% sure. They might actually go back in boxes. I'm not 100% sure. But let me know in the comments what you think about it. Oh, look. I took, is anyone seeing that? I actually took Sloth out of the box. He's about a £250 pop. I took him out of the box. I think he looks cool though. Let me know in the comments what you think. Anyway, so that is our PO box opening. What's the matter? You can't believe it. Yeah, it's our PO box opening. Everyone who sent everything, really appreciate you sending it. We'll always open whatever you send us on camera and give you shout outs because we really appreciate it. Also, check the ZANINI box out. They were good enough to send us the first subscription for free. So check them out in links as well in description and everything. And don't forget to
like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell for post notifications.
too much sugar.
You messed me up there because you'll be entered and could win a mystery box giveaway at the end of the month for a year.
Yep, and don't forget to keep on that notification bell. Keep hitting it because we're going to do a giveaway for everyone who's done the notification bell, because we can see who's done it now. So, and as always, appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Cheers, bye.
Bye.